This job is for Microsoft Azure Data Specialist at DWS in Sydney, New South Wales. This is a permanent full-time role, and with hybrid working arrangements, you can work a few days a week in the office and the other days from home. This is a mid-senior level role, and DWS is looking for someone who has skill sets and experience in Microsoft Azure, which includes blob storage, data factory, Azure Databricks, Azure SQL database. They're also looking for someone who has skill sets and experience in SSIS, SSRS, Power BI, and Advanced SQL. They are offering a generous salary packaging of 175K, including super, and it will be depending on your experience. Just a little about the company. DWS is a professional technology consultancy and part of HCL Tech with offices across Australia. They have over 800 employees in Melbourne, Sydney, Adelaide, Brisbane, and Canberra, who provide services to a broad range of blue chip corporate clients as well as federal, state, and local government agencies. They provide a wide range of services, including IT consulting, managed application services, project management, customer driven innovation, digital transformation, data and business analytics, strategic advisory and productivity, and robotic process automation. For their employees, DWS offers ongoing professional and career development. They offer paid learning and certifications chosen entirely by you with completion bonuses. They also have an active social club that hosts regular subsidized events. They also provide corporate discounts on a range of services and products, including health insurance, gym membership, Apple products, and much more. If you are interested in this role, please visit DWS Australia's website and apply at Microsoft Azure Data Specialist job role. Thank you.